I'm going to run through how to sync codes after they've been uploaded into CRM. So we're going to go ahead and click into the page where we're going to sync the codes. This table shows you that this requested SOL over here, these two columns, were what was created in the app, the corresponding CRM code, and solicitation is what got uploaded into CRM. Notice that this column, solicitation, actually exactly matches the requested SOL. But now we need to move all the mapping that was mapped to this code over to here. And that's what we're going to go ahead and do. We're going to hit sync codes. Are you sure you want to sync it? Say OK. And it's going to go ahead and run it for us. And now we have nothing left to sync, but let's just see what happened to the mapping table. So let's now notice here everything that has the word sync in it is what just got updated. So I'm going to filter it by the word sync, and you can see that all of these codes just got synced. Now their code, their pending code is now the CRM code. It's no longer the NW code that was there. If you look at the history for each one of these, you could see it was this code, now it's mapped to that code. So each one of them is going to be like that. It was this code, now it's mapped to that code. It's still pending because it hasn't gone through the nightly ETL, but it will not be pending tomorrow. And the NW codes will always stay pending until they get synced. So anyway, that's it. Super easy.